the demon.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Well, it's you know why? It's to protect the front lip.
That's supposed to say 500. That piece comes off and it says 500. But it's basically the same.
Oh yeah, we've seen that one before, right?
Oh wow.
There you go, Greg. Is that the one?
No, but close.
Oh, that's a unique supercharger on there.
The Whipple.
It's a Whipple? Nice. What is that? That's crazy.
Stock from turbo there. But it's swapped into 12 volt Cummins. It's not a 6.7, it's 5.9 12 volt.
Wow.
But I like how the tires fit.
It's also,
That's sick.
It is. Yeah. You said it, buy it. That's a perfect, like what I want. That's what I wanted to buy new.
Yeah.
I just would have pulled it, if I was pulling 6.7, I would have put a 6.4 Hemi in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But 12 volt's pretty cool. Look at that stack. Oh yeah. Oh, for sure.
little further wheels going.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just don't know how to drive it. You get nailed for a hood stack everywhere.
Yeah.
And no emissions on the 12 valve.
I like that setup. Like, it looks nice.
The big whipples look so good.
Yeah. It is a good setup.
Yeah, they do look nice.
Now that's proper wide body.
Yeah, a lot of work there.
Oh, could you imagine? It's a diff.
Yeah.
Checking over the stand with my 5 girl polish in there and running. Oh yeah.
It's more than a 3-inch drop, right?
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit more though.
Just a little bit? Oh,
Maybe
okay. Okay.
Yeah, oh,
There you go. Yeah, that thing's low. That's aerodynamic, bro. Those are expensive, man.
yeah. Like $8 grand a piece. Super singles, eh? Not even a dually anymore. Jesus.
Oh my gosh, it's B.
Great mobile.
I can never
There's
sell.
always B.
It is legal to drive on the road, but legal to sell, no.
I can definitely see you in that.
What? Not for the PT. Oh, would work. The PT more so.
Still ride the bike.
That'd be my like 2 from work commute.
Save so much money too.
No.
No?
I had a PT cruiser and it got the same fuel mileage as the car. My Hemi.
No way.
Yeah, it did. It was 15.5 liters per 100 per town. On the highway, you could get it down to 13, 14 after it did its tune-up and everything. It did like a combustion chamber clean and all that. It'd be like 13.5, 14 liters per 100 on the highway with the car.
69 shows that.
So many gas, like, it's got a red line. It's such a gap, you'd be like wide open, and then back part throttle on an up there. But indestructible too. Like I get rear ended with that thing. I was just about to stop the first time. It was about 130 instead.
European tags.
And you could open the back doors on it still. It took a solid smash. That blew his taillights just in half.
Really?
I rear-ended someone doing 80 and they stopped. Don't want us to be lit though.
Yes.
Turn the wheels like the other way. Put one in reverse and one in drive. You could parallel park like so easy though.
So easy.
Oh yeah, you got 2 people?
If you had 2 people.
Hey Fred, who's sitting there?
Yeah,
He's sitting
yeah,
there. We've both got a beer. Like turn your wheels that way. Okay. Slide right into parallel parking. Oh, what has some horizon?
So this one is a 1978 Omni 4-door with a 1979 Horizon 4-door. 2 motors. Huh. That's cool.
Definitely. You know what this is? The manifest is like me and Barry when we just drink.
Yeah.
And we have it like Barry comes up with this ridiculous ideas. This is what happens. It's the manifestation of the Oh, he's extended it. Well, another front of a box. That's sick.
That's a long box.
What do you think? He's got a different frame adapted on it where I use the truck frame the whole way. Alright, he just cut it and then welded a tongue onto it. Because I made a tongue out of the frame. It's a different idea. That's neat. Guess I got the button in the box and welded it away.
Fuck off, Steve. Dude, really?